Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to set up a sanding station here, but the first thing I need to do is install the light because it's too dark over here. I'm going to install the Barina 4-foot shop light. It's an LED. I'm going to open the box and show you what's inside. First thing I pull out is the installation guide. Your chains, screws, and our light. Looks like they packed it very well. Once we get everything out of the box, this is what you'll end up with. Looks like you can connect these in series. Your pull chain for on and off switch. 110 volt. A little bit of information. Aluminum construction. Now let's go ahead and get this installed. The installation guide is very, very easy to read and understand. So the first thing I'm going to install is these two hooks into the rafters. Once those are installed, then there's two chains. We'll hook onto the hook, and this end will hook to the light. So let's get that started. Point out that you don't get with other lights is a chain extension. I've bought quite a few other lights and I've never had a chain extension for your switch. Now that makes it handy. Now that is a big difference. This is before and after. Alright guys, that's all there is to it. The light was easy to install. You can see it's nice and bright. It's 10,000 lumen, 6500K. I'll leave a link in the description to where you can find this. And if you end up getting one, let me know what you think of it in the comments. Until again, if you like the video, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.